Yan guys, nag-enjoy ang akong girl. Nag-life jacket lang guys for safety. Ayan. Ayan guys. Dito lang makikita sa Tinago Falls. Okay. Yan, amazing kay guys. Amazing kayo. Ang area. Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Kung gusto kayong pupunta sa Tinago guys, dito lang yan sa Iligan City, Mindanao. The city of waterfall. Kasi maraming mga falls dito guys. May Tinago Falls, may Tongo Falls, may Marquestina Falls, may Lawis Falls, Dalipuga Falls. Maraming mga falls dito guys. Dito lang yan makikita sa Iligan City, the land of promise, Mindanao. Amazing guys, amazing. Yan guys, napakalamig. Sa halagang 80 pesos lang guys, maliligo ka dito. Unlimited guys. Yan ang anak ko guys. Nag-swimming na mag-isa kasi nahuli kami sa aking asawa at sa mga kaibigan. Okay guys, ready to go. Let's go. Okay, for good na guys. Dito lang makikita sa Iligan City, sa Tinago Falls. Ready to go, ready to swim. Fish water from falls. Very lamig guys. Hindi ka kailangan mag-yellow. Hindi ka na kailangan bibili ng yellow kasi sobrang lamig. Okay, jump. Whoop! Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Freeman Vlog. Mabuhay! God bless us. Okay guys, enjoy. This is the summertime with my family. Only in the Philippines, it's more fun in the Philippines. This is DJ Freeman Vlog. Mabuhay! Okay guys, bye-bye. Okay, yahoo! Kita mo yung falls guys. Takuya. Okay. Napakalamig guys. Hanggang dito muna guys ha. Bye-bye.